my new SUV. It's an SUV. From Honda. There's David. Just running. There's the SUV driver. Driving SUV. Do you not have to go pee? Driving my new SUV. Whoa. In the trunk we got no storage. We got 0% cause his car stinks. Oh yeah. Driving SUV. Driving SUV. Driving SUV. No, the car is better. No, the car is like the SUV. Driving my new SUV everywhere. Driving the SUV on my hair. Everywhere is just SUV. S to the U to the SUV.